Live from a freezing corner of our studio, it's the Blizzard of Odd Very Special Christmas Specials, starring Brian McFadden and the Tortured Boy Singers from the St. School Choir. The full and unexpurgated cast of Fair City. Daniel O'Donnell and his Yuletide Barge of Peace. Plus zombies, flying saucers, zombies, dead Santa, more zombies, and a very special Beyond the Grave appearance from Shane McGowan. But first, here is your host, Dr. Christmas himself. It's Colin Murphy.
Santa, it's not you, it's me. It's over. Love and kisses. Colin. Actually, at this very moment, I fear that it is nearly all over for Santa. He's in Letterkenny, fulfilling a date with destiny that could well spell deaths for the worldwide toy industry.
Are you here to fucking kill me?
Yes, I am here to kill you.
Well, I'm gonna fucking shoot you.
Set in Donegal, surprise, surprise, the stoner movie capital of Ireland, Santa Fucks Up is the sad seasonal story of a lonely Donegal boy who thinks he's American.
Christmas Eve, 5 to 12. I was alone in my flat. I've got no family, and I've got no friends, so I'm all alone.
Come on, you can't do a mid-Atlantic accent and then say 5 to 12. It's 11:55. Where do you think you come from, faker? Ah, come on, he might be stressed, but he's not going to slay you. It's Christmas.
What kind of bullets did you use?
Regular bullets. Dipped them in holy fucking water.
You dipped them in holy water.
So there you are. If the dozy old moocher so much as attempts to put a little iPod in your stocking tonight, just make sure you dip those bullets in holy water before you shoot him in the Clementines. Santa, who killed the child in you? No, really, who killed the child in you? Because that's either a very advanced pregnancy or he's got a serious prostate problem there. In which case he'll be needing this, Daniel O'Donnell's Peaceful Waters, available from all good prostate care stores nationwide. Too late, because Santa would appear to be dying. Still dying. This must be the longest Santa death sequence in the history of Santa slasher movies. I'd lie low if I were you. Yeah, you're not going to be very popular tonight. We leave you with a tribute to a man who embodies the spirit of this evening more than all the dead Santas in Donegal, though with marginally less energy.
Sorry. It's all right.
Shane McGowan making no sense at all since 1988. As he becomes more and more in touch with his inner zombie, I, for one, am willing to believe that Shane McGowan knows profound things, things beyond words, things that can only be expressed in a kind of death rattle, crossed with a tracheotomy cough. But if he never says another sensible word as long as he lives, survives, he has at least left us one glorious thing.
It's Christmas Eve and the drunk tank and all my suffering will stay alone.
A glorious thing that was desecrated, warped, abused and thoroughly defiled by this. Oh, this is going to ruin my Christmas. Oh, please turn over, I'm begging you now. Oh, Jesus.
You scumbag, you maggot, you're cheap and you're haggard. Happy Christmas, you're ours, I pray God is our last.
You cheap, lousy faggot gets the cold nasal neuter treatment from the Captain and Tennille of Irish music.
We did change some of the lyrics in the song. We changed the lyric, you scumbag, you maggot, you're cheap and you're haggard is what we changed it to. The original was, you scumbag, you maggot, you cheap, lazy faggot.
You're cheap and you're haggard. Why won't he let her call him a faggot? What has he got to be so sensitive about?
You scumbag, you maggot, you're cheap and you're haggard. Happy Christmas, you're ours, I pray God is our last.
People like this shouldn't be allowed the pleasure of owning an arse, since their mouths do such a fine job of spewing out shite.
Why say I pray, what's the
Pogues live at the Town and Country, out now on DVD. It's for life, not just for Christmas. Good night and happy tomorrow. Can't leave Santa dead on Christmas Eve. It's not right. Come on, get up, you bollocks. Come on, get up. Oh yeah, by the way, 1976, I asked for a Skilextrix. You give me fuzzy felt. Why?
The elves are on strike.
The elves were on strike.
Yeah, what was that?
Another thing, yeah. I saw you snogging my man, 1972.
She's a fine thing.
Get away, you filthy animal.
That's all good, anyone. You took my dreams from me when I first found you.
I cut down with the bird. I put down with my own. Can't make it all alone. I built my dreams around you. Thinking what it was to sing, go away. And the bells are ringing out for Christmas.